Welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn a new topic, the verb tenses. Types of tenses. Mainly tenses can be divided into three: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense refers to the present time. Past tense refers to the past time. Future tense refers to the future time. This present, past and future tense can be divided into four. They are simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. In the case of past tense, they also can be divided into simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Future tense also can be divided into four: simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Let us see with examples. Present and simple present. I write, I am writing, I have written, I have been writing. In past tense, I wrote, I was writing, I had written, I had been writing. Future tense, I shall write, I shall be writing, I shall have written, I shall have been writing. Let us study in detail verb forms and structures of sentences. In simple present tense structure, affirmative sentence or positive sentence. Subject plus first form of the verb. Examples: I go in first person. If first person is in plural, we go. In second person, you go. In third person, he goes, she goes, it goes, Ram goes, like. In case of a subject of third person, singular number added with s or es. Let us see some examples. I do not go. You do not go. He does not go. She does not go. Ram does not go. In the case of negative sentence, subject plus do plus not plus first form of the verb. In the case of positive or affirmative sentence, subject plus first form of the verb. Present continuous tense structure. Subject plus am or is or are plus first form of the verb plus ing. Examples: I am going, we are going, you are going, they are going. In the case of third person, he is going, she is going, Ram is going. In the case of negative sentence, I am not going. In the case of interrogative sentence, am I going? In the case of interrogative negative sentence, am I not going? In present perfect tense structure, affirmative sentence, subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb. Example: I have gone, you have gone, he has gone, she has gone, Ram has gone. In the case of negative sentence, I have not gone, he has not gone. In interrogative sentence, have I gone? Interrogative negative, have I not gone? In present perfect continuous tense, let us study the structure. In affirmative sentence, subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb plus ing. Examples: I have been going. You have been going. He has been going. She has been going. Ram has been going. In the case of negative sentence, I have not been going. In the case of interrogative sentence, have I been going? Interrogative negative form like have I not been going? Let us study now simple past tense. Structure. In affirmative sentence, subject plus second form of the verb. Example, I went. In negative sentence, I did not go. In interrogative sentence, did I go? In the case of interrogative negative, did I not go? In past continuous tense structure, in affirmative sentence, subject plus was or were plus first form of the verb plus ing. Example, I was going. You were going. He was going. She was going. Ram was going. Because in negative sentence, I was not going. In interrogative, was I going? In interrogative negative, was I not going? In past perfect tense structure, in affirmative sentence, subject plus had plus third form of the verb. Example, I had gone. You had gone. He had gone. She had gone. Ram had gone. In negative sentence, I had not gone. In interrogative, had I gone? In interrogative negative, had I not gone? In past perfect continuous tense structure, in affirmative sentence, subject plus had been plus first form of the verb plus ing. I had been going. You had been going. He had been going. She had been going. Ram had been going. In negative sentence, I had not been going. In interrogative sentence, had I been going? In interrogative negative, had I not been going? In simple future tense structure, in affirmative sentence, subject plus will or shall plus first form of the verb. Example, I shall go. You will go. But mostly with I and we are using shall only. In the case of second person and third person, we use will. You will go. He will go. She will go. Ram will go. Look here, shall is used in the first person with I and we. Will is used with the second person you and third person he, she, it, they. In negative sentence, I shall not go. In interrogative, shall I go? In interrogative negative, shall I not go? Let us study now future continuous tense structure. In affirmative sentence, subject plus shall or will plus be plus first form of the verb. Example, I shall be going. In negative sentence, I shall not be going. In interrogative sentence, shall I be going? In interrogative negative, shall I not be going? Future perfect tense structure. In affirmative sentence, subject plus shall or will plus have plus third form of the verb. Example, I shall have gone. In negative sentence, I shall not have gone. In interrogative, shall I have gone? In interrogative negative, shall I not have gone? In future perfect continuous tense structure, in affirmative sentence, subject plus shall or will plus have plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing. Example, I shall have been going. In negative sentence, I shall not have been going. In interrogative sentence, shall I have been going? In interrogative negative, shall I have been going? Thank you.